Found a Win32 file and curious whether it's safe to run on your system? This format identifies 32-bit Windows applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through running Windows 32-bit executable files safely. Heads up on the final step, we will reveal why investing in one exceptional Win32 file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. A user encountering a Win32 file typically has a program intended to run on a 32-bit version of the Microsoft Windows operating system. This extension is often used to differentiate a 32-bit build from a 64-bit or other platform version of the same application, functioning identically to a standard .exe file. This file adheres to the Portable Executable (PE) format, the standard for executables and DLLs on Windows. It's a binary structure containing machine code, resources like icons and menus, and metadata for the Windows loader. The Win32 extension is a naming convention, not a structural change to the PE format. The direct link for opening Win32 files is established with Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows offers minimal diagnostic information, so assessing the file requires compatible analysis tools. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your Win32 file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Windows first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in that list. If the Win32 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, running on Windows. Most modern Windows versions, including 64-bit editions, run Win32 executables through the WoW64 compatibility subsystem. Double-click the file to launch the application. If Windows Defender or other security software blocks execution, add an exception only after verifying the file source and scanning for malware to ensure system safety. Next, verifying file safety. Before running unknown Win32 files, scan with Windows Defender or upload to VirusTotal at virustotal.com for multi-engine analysis. Check digital signatures through right-click Properties. Then digital signatures verifying authentic publisher information. Avoid running unsigned executables from untrusted sources as they may contain malware threatening system security. Finally, Compatibility Mode. For older Win32 applications, having compatibility issues, right-click the file, select Properties, and access the Compatibility tab. Enable Compatibility Mode for older Windows versions and adjust DPI settings, or run as administrator if needed. These options resolve many issues with legacy 32-bit applications on modern 64-bit Windows installations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.